What is a trading platform? Trading platform is a program that provides traders with access to information on financial markets. Trading platform enables to carry out trading operations, keep records of obligations between the client and the broker. Trading platform operates online and consists of a client terminal and a server. Client terminal is a program that can be installed on a personal computer, mobile phone, as well as through a web interface. Company server supplies codes, performs trading operations, keeps traders' accounts. The functions of the trading platform are graphical display of codes, technical analysis of data based on indicators, the ability to trade simultaneously with several liquidity providers, the possibility of program trading, provision of additional services, as well as a convenient and fast interface. We wish you successful trading!